I made this money in 2 days, right, with just my smartphone, right, doing some work with ChatGPT. With it cannot take you 2 hours per day. Just use your 1 hour to create this and you start selling it every day and start making money into your account, right? So this video I'm going to show you step by step, guys, how you can do it. My name is azeezrasheeddamilare, and if this is your first time joining this channel, kindly watch this video to the end, and if you find it helpful, hit the subscribe button and share these videos with others too. So the step one right here, what we need to do is that you need to understand that making money with ChatGPT is come with a work which you need to work with your mind to get the result, right? So what you need to do first is think about what you can do to make money. So for me, I normally go like selling ebooks online or going to online stores and pick some products then sell it, right? So how will I do this? First thing I need to do is to find a website where I can see a product or where I can create an ebook and upload it on my website. So the first thing I need to do is I go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT a prompt, give me a list type of business I can do online that can make me money, right? So but for me, I want to go with ebooks, selling ebooks online and make money with selling ebooks, right? So what I need to do is to give ChatGPT a prompt that which type of ebook is trending now that if I create and I start selling, I'll make money. So all what you need to do is that you choose the one you like in the list that ChatGPT gives you, and what you need to do is to give the ChatGPT another prompt to give you the full details of the ebooks, to create the ebooks for you. Then once you have done that, you copy everything and paste it in your Google Doc and edit everything. So once you finish editing it, convert it to Google Drive and save it on your Google Drive. So whenever someone purchases this, you get access to your Google Drive and start editing, like download it as a PDF, right? So what you need to do after I've created this ebook is step 2 right here is go to seller.on. Register on Seller as a creator on Seller, then go to the product, add product, then go to digital product, add your picture of your ebook. You don't know how to get this. What you need to do is to go back to a ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT will give you prompts to generate the image you need to use for this ebook, right? So once it gives you the prompt, that's where the step 3 comes in, right? So you just need to take the prompt, go to your Google FS, right? So once you go to your Google FS, it's totally free and you just hire with it. So what you need to do is to give the Google FS this prompt, right? So it generate the image for you, then save it to your smartphone, go back to your seller and start creating your product for your seller. Once you're done with this, how can you sell this and make money like I did, right? So what you need to do is that there's 2 ways for you to sell this. We have free traffic and we have paid ads right here. So let's just walk into the free traffic right here. What you need to do is to go to your YouTube and search on selling ebook. It will give you some video about people selling ebooks on YouTube right here, which you are seeing on my screen right now. So what you need to do is to copy one creator or 2 or 3 creators. What are they doing to promote all these ebooks? Then you copy it and go to the ChatGPT bag. ChatGPT will give you another script to do this video if you are someone that want to sell this ebook fast. Well, once it gives you, then where is the step 4 coming in right now? So you need to have CapCut on your phone or any other video editing apps on your phone. So you need to go back to the ChatGPT to ask for the pictures that you can use to create these videos, right? So once it gives you the prompt, go back to your Google FS. As you have been in your Google FS to generate the image for you back, then copy all this and go to your CapCut. So once you've been on your CapCut, add all these pictures together, add the script that ChatGPT give you, and once you have done that, change the text to voiceover. So once you match the voiceover with the image together, then save it on your smartphone, go and upload it on your YouTube. So wait and relax and see how the result becomes in. Another way for you to do this using a advert, right? You can use Facebook for that. You can use Facebook for free traffic too. What you need to do is to go to the ChatGPT, write to the ChatGPT to give you a prompt on how you can promote this and adverts. It give you hard copies that you can use on your Facebook. Once it gives you, go to the meta ads, create the advert and keep rolling, right? So after that, you keep making money selling ebooks, right? If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share these videos with others.